Well, hello again, guys. I have this old tatty looking Yale that I want to try and get on film. I've picked it a couple of times before, and a couple of times it took me like 2-3 minutes, and other times it took like under 30 seconds, so who knows. It's going to be interesting to see if I can get this gutted on camera, because I suspect it's just as tatty inside as it appears on the outside. I'm using bottom of the QA tension, and I'm using my patented thumb tension, and as well as a levering point or a leverage. So let's see if we can get into it this time. Alright, small click on 1, small click on 2, problem getting under 3. It's a bit hard. Click on 3. I'm using both upwards and downwards tension. Okay, that was another click. Not sure which pin that was. And there we get it open. Okay, it's going to be interesting seeing what this looks like inside. I am going to try and do this a little bit better than I did last time, because that was not good at all. I only have a table light for lighting, so I apologize for the way it looks. I'm going to try and do like so, or maybe. It's one of those old pins, or old style. Okay. Keys are down there. Wow. It's looking very worn. Some sort of residue. These are all standard pins, I'm guessing. Yeah, all standard pins there. I am going to try and get this a little bit better on camera than I usually manage before. Standard pin in one. There's a spring. Standard in 2. I'm not expecting to see anything other than standards here as well. Standard there as well. And I always turn for the last ones, the back ones. Oh, come on. And all standards as suspected. Okay, I'm going to try and show you this on camera. Not that it's much to look at, but there you go. It's all standard springs, standard pins and all. But it's fun to get open locks that you haven't opened before. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope to soon be able to make some videos with other than standard pins, but for now the locks I have are usually standard pins I've found. Well, they are master wafered, some of them, but I'm expecting a new package of locks, 6.5 pounds of locks and different things. Should have been here today, but tracking said that it was shipped 350 miles in the wrong direction in this country, so I called the shipping company and they said it should be in my hands tomorrow. So I'll probably do an unboxing video just to see what's in there. I know I've seen some pictures, but I don't know all of it. But anyways, as always, guys, please come check us out, uklocksport.co.uk, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.